Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete file that cannot be deleted. To start, try deleting the folder or file. You can see that a permissions error is generated that prevents its deletion. After that, right-click on the element and select Properties. Here in the Security tab, click on Advanced. After this, at the top, click Change in the Owner section. In the pop-up window, enter everyone and click on Check Names to select. Click OK. Now you are going to check the box, Replace Owner on Subcontainers and Objects. Click on Apply and you must click on Yes to authorize this process. Close the window. After this, in the pop-up window, click Edit. You're going to confirm that the Everyone group has full control over the file or folder. Click on OK. As a result, you can delete the file or folder without any problem. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.